So everyone these days is talking about the all new electric Ferrari, which is called Ferrari Lusso or something like that, but I have something just a bit more ordinary.
Very funny.
It's another tech review that we have in our office. It's the Logitech Pebble M350, which is a compact mouse, and today we're gonna do the unboxing, first test and consumer review of this compact Logitech mouse. So stay tuned, there's something very interesting that I'll share about this mouse by the end of this video. But until then, we're gonna do the unboxing, let's check the specs and see what's interesting about the Pebble M350. Under packaging of the mouse, typical for Logitech these days. And now let's see, it's the first time I'm going to open this, so I'm excited as you are. And let's see what's inside the box of the M350. Before that, let me show you what's written on the box itself. So it has silent clicks, up to 18 months of battery life, dual connectivity, you can connect laptop, tablet and stuff like that, multiple devices, and high precision optical tracking, things that we're gonna talk about a bit later. On the back we have almost the same things and some information in different languages on the other side, and in the front silent modern fine. So Logitech M350 Pebble. Let's see what's inside. Can't wait to see what's in the box of this mouse. So we have the pink version. It looks very nice, to be honest. It is compact, it's relatively flat for those of you who like flat mouses. And here is the back. Now let's try to open this carefully, not break anything. And here it slides. So what we have inside this plastic part is the pink Logitech Pebble M350. It is quite compact and pink, so I guess it would be a great fit for ladies, or these business ladies that like to use this kind of mouse, compact, silent and reliable, since it's made by Logitech. So this is it, nothing else inside the box, as you can see. So first impressions, this is standard Logitech product, quality made, it feels like quality plastics, nothing really to be surprised of here. So let me tell you and show you a bit more about the features and specification of this mouse, the Pebble M350. It has a high precision optical tracking. This means that it works smoothly on most surfaces. The DPI is 1000, which is perfect for everyday office tasks. We have 3 buttons, as you can see. The middle one is the scroll button, left, right, and the scroll wheel. The scroll wheel is mechanical type, covered in rubber, so it feels very soft to the touch, to be honest. And when you scroll, it's also soft and quiet. It uses Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz connection, so you have the option to use the dongle that is included inside. Let me show you. Here is the dongle, or Bluetooth directly, which is my preferred version of using this mouse, and other like that has the Bluetooth option. It has up to 10 meters range, which is very good. And we have the, as you saw, the included 1 AA battery in the package. So very nice Logitech that you have included the battery inside the box. Great stuff. So the battery life, as you saw on the box, up to 18 months. We have the Duracell battery for the start, which has extended battery life, so I would expect with regular battery to last around 10 up to 15 months. And it sleeps automatically to save power, which is a great thing, which extends the battery life as well. And the dimensions, as you can see, are quite compact. It is 107mm to 59mm to 26.5mm, so it's pocket size, very slim design, easy to carry around, so it's a good fit for laptops and tablets as well. And it weighs around 100 grams, not the lightest on the market, but I don't like very light mice because they're not stable in the hand when used. And click noise, we have around 90% measured. And let me just shut up for a second so you can hear how quiet it is. Really quiet mouse. So some of the specs are pretty basic, but still it does everything well, which is the best quality of this Logitech mouse. And if you find it on sale on a good deal, which is the thing that I wanted to mention in the very beginning, I asked you to stay until the end of the video, is the price. It is unbelievable with all these features that I just mentioned that I found this mouse for under $30, around $20 on sale, which is a fantastic deal for well-made, compact and long-lasting mouse like this Logitech Pebble M350. And this is the initial unboxing and review of the mouse. Now I'm going to connect it to try and test it for a while and tell you a bit more about its performance in my next video. So stay tuned, subscribe. It's going to be interesting. I have a lot of other similar products to be tested in the recent weeks, so stay tuned, hit the bell notification icon and let me know what mouse are you currently using and recommending. I'll be happy to hear from you and see you later.